Hey traders, going to be covering Bitcoin today. Bitcoin crash has started. I'm going to talk more about what I see there. Guys, do not play trade what you see in this video right now. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. You need to have good money management and good risk management because there's no guarantees in the markets. Doesn't matter what I say or what anyone else says. Also, guys, if you haven't grabbed the free 12-hour trading course, walking through trading systems, chart reading strategies, and all sorts of money management, all that sort of stuff to help you get ahead, first thing in the description. Let's get straight into this market right now, okay? Guys, so for you guys that know, I've been very bearish on Bitcoin for quite some time. And even back before we even had this big breakout bar, I was saying that I'm looking actually for, there's a calm before the storm and so on and so forth. And then when we got the breakout, I actually said on the breakout that this is now the breakout I was looking for. And now we have a very good high probability chance of this thing now getting crashed. Like absolutely dumped. And look what's happened so far already in this market. Look how far we've actually come back down. We're down right now another 12% or something on this bar through here. Guys, this is the start of something a lot larger. So for people who are viewing Bitcoin right now, and if you're looking at Bitcoin right now, let's go back to this weekly chart. As you can see here, right, we're just starting to break out of this whole sideways range through here. So I see a lot more selling coming in Bitcoin, and people said that it can't get to 3,000. Well, it's actually not that far away from 3,000 right now. And the selling really hasn't even started, right? Like there's a lot more selling to come here. So I see this thing getting down to that 2,000, if not back down to that 1,000 level through there as well too. So you don't ever want to fight, don't fight this market, okay guys? We've just gone through a bit of a calm. Now we're going through the storm period. Do not try and fight this market. I see so many people who are listening to people out there are saying Bitcoin's going to explode to the upside and we're going to make new highs and the stock market's going to crash. You know what I'm talking about? Don't fight the market, okay? Do not fight the market. We're seeing right now, this market had a big drop down. For me personally, I am short Bitcoin right now, but I'm not saying you should get short Bitcoin right now because I got short Bitcoin a while ago. So right now is definitely not the right time to get short Bitcoin right now. It's because to me the risk that you got to know where to put your stop as well too, right? Just in case the trade is a losing trade. And right now the risk could be too big for me, so I got into Bitcoin a while ago. Anyway. So this is a bit of an update on Bitcoin right now, guys. Do not fight the market, okay? We went through a bit of a calm here. Look at all this here, okay? Look at all of let's go through here. Look at all this. Okay, so we actually had, you can see, look at all this sideways movement. There's lots and lots of sideways movement, and now we're getting a very big, strong breakout. So there's probably a lot more downside that come out of this, guys. Now, it's probably not going to go straight down. We're probably going to get, maybe an up bar or a few up bars or whatever, updates and so on and so forth, and then we get a pullback, or it may just continue just going straight down from where we are right now, and we just absolutely just get demolished from here. Either way, I don't know, but I do see this thing down at, say, 3,000 or 2,000 or potentially even down there at 1,000. People say it's not going to happen. Well, guys, look what's happening in the markets right now, okay? If you're fighting the market right now, you're trying to pick that bottom, you're trying to listen to people out there by saying Bitcoin's going to explode, please don't. Listen to the market. The market is saying, hey, we just went for a very quiet period, and now we're getting slammed to the downside. Do not be thinking that this is just a bit of a false breakout and it's going to rally through here. No, it's not a false breakout. A false breakout would mean that it would hold here. It'll go sideways for a bit and then it'll rally back up. A false breakout doesn't break out and then continue dropping. That's a true breakout. A false breakout does the exact opposite, okay? So do not be fighting this market, guys. Trade what the market is telling you right now and have good risk management. Every single time you get into the market, you must say to yourself, if this is a losing trade, is it going to hurt me? And if the answer is yes, you're trading too much of your account. Keep your risk management under control because there's no guarantees in the markets. Even with Bitcoin right now, I have a good risk management in this where like my profit to my risk is like 5 to 10 to 1. That means whatever I'm risking, okay, just say for example, if I'm risking say 2,500, that means 2,500, that means my average, my profit is likely to be say 15, 20, maybe even 25,000, depending on the move and so on and so forth. Make sense? So be smart about the way that you're trading these markets. Just because you think something's going to happen, just because if you think Bitcoin's going to get to 1,000, doesn't mean you should just jump into it. You need a good time to get into it, okay? This is all about being smart. This is all about Preparation meets opportunity. That's how you get lucky. Some people say, oh, John, you got lucky by shorting Bitcoin. No. I've been waiting for Bitcoin for months now to show me a sign, and that's what's happening right now. Okay, so be smart about the way that you're trading, and also make sure you're trading a very, very, very good high probability trading setup. And especially when you're looking at these longer term plays, like I have a short term play in and out with 1 to say 5 days, and then I have more of these long term plays. I want at least a 5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So if I'm risking say $1,000, I want at least a $5,000 target on that trade, so I can be right. So I can, and if I'm right only 50-50, then I'm going to do well. Makes sense? So that's how I plan. That's how I have my risk management. There's no guarantees on anything in the market. So be smart about the way you're trading. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this training course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.